Hey fuckers, what's going on? Mac Alex here, and I'm back from my apparent death in the sacrifice.
Mac Bruce here, and let me be the first to say this. Welcome back, man.
I second that. Anyways, hello, it's me, Mac Cathy. Here for more action with my husband and so forth after the stuff we've been through.
And lastly, it is I, Mac Tom, and I feel so much better after having eaten cheeseburgers on the boat. Real ones, too. I got my wish at long last.
Must have been worth a fortune for you then after I gave my life and saved all your asses. But anyways, we digress. We're gonna be playing through The Last Stand, which is gonna be the last time we play as the Left 4 Dead 1 characters for now. After this, we say hello to the Left 4 Dead 2 ones, which I believe are better.
Normally I would disagree, but since I know there's one survivor who likes cheeseburgers like me, I have to say I agree with Alex. I'm definitely picking that character when we get the chance.
Oh, of course you would. I'm picking the one who tells all those wacky stories. He may seem annoying at first, but he learns over time overall, and he never bothered me personally. But enough about that, we gotta trek through this Last Stand shit here and now. Also, goddammit, where did you learn to drive?
I would tell you, but that's kind of classified information to tell. Now then, time for us to go, is it?
Yes. Indeed it is. You know what to do, guys. Let's be careful of what we might come across besides the obligatory zombies.
No telling where, no telling when, that's for damn sure. But also what the fuck is a cop car doing here in the woods?
No clue. But I hear a plane. Look.
Ah, shit. That plane though. It's taken some damage. I feel bad for the pilot operating it.
Ow, 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 Charger's ripping me apart.
I got it. You're doing fine now, Tom.
Hey honey bunch. I just found a grenade launcher for you.
Ooh. Nice find, sweetums. Thank you so very much.
I figured you'd have it since you like grenade launchers, and the fact that since you went through the trouble of saving us all, I thought I'd reward you with it. So, no props for you.
Are you two having a moment or something? Get real and be more fucking manly. Though seriously, I dodged the boomer vomit. More cheeseburger points for me.
Don't even bother giving me envy because of that. And for the record, I've survived even worse than boomer vomit. Also, remember when we were all mocking each other for our IQs and whatnot? I take that back now. Y'all are pretty smart, maybe even more than I give you credit for. Even when, you know.
Aw, thank you. Right back at you. Even if you're a pain in the ass at times, we will remember you as a good father for our kids.
I can tell where the fuck this is going. Alex with his sarcasm, and Kathy with her evil treachery. Tisk tisk, just kidding.
You missed a variable here. Me. What about me in that equation?
Bruce with his, grateful goodness, I mean, am I wrong?
I suppose not. Also Tom with his cheeseburgers. That's what I'll put it as, just because.
Got the car. You're welcome, by the way.
Damn it, Alex. You beat me to the punch. Hello.
A little fucking help here. God damn it, those fucking jockeys.
Hold on, I've got this. There. Now let's keep pressing on now.
Indeed. We gotta push the fuck forward. Oh, and Tom? Some pills for you if you want some.
Guys, look here. Be careful of your footing.
I can handle this perfectly. Die motherfucking bitch, die. Also, honey, watch where you shoot next time.
Sorry about that. Just wanted to help you get the witch in case you fuck up on the attempt.
Fair enough. Also a smoker on the loose. I've got it with my grenade launcher. Wow, I'm becoming more pro at this than I thought. Good thing my training there paid off. Ooh, and I just got laser sights and a pitchfork with it too. Good God, this just keeps getting better.
Wow. Freaking sweet.
God damn it, a fucking hunter on my ass again.
Wait, where are the laser sights? Oh wait, actually, never mind. I found them.
Oh, shove your luck right down my esophagus, why don't you all? I'm sure that'll help even more.
I don't understand. I just saved your ass. Why must you be so selfish?
Why else do you think that? You guys get the best shit and all that, and I get a fucking hunter to my monitor.
Oh, quit your fucking baby crying bullshit and just get either one of these guns provided here. If that helps you, of course.
They should for the most part. I mean, you don't see me complaining if I discard the shotgun I had earlier for an assault rifle that's better, do you? The laser sights were just an asset to try and make a weapon better, though of course shotguns are not ideal for that upgrade.
Shit, no. Bruce, Kathy, anyone, help me. I'm sorry, I complained earlier just now.
Oh fuck! I'll get you up first, Tom. Then we'll go for Alex. Because I don't want anyone to die on us. Someone get those zombies off us while I get Alex up.
I got that! Get off of them, you stupid zombies!
I'm back up now. Someone back me up on another one of the generators.
I will. And Bruce, catch up with Tom.
I got a hunter on my...
Don't worry, the fearless Mac Tom is here to save the day for his fellow Bruce, and for the cheeseburgers that those zombies felt strength of on my might.
You know I've got this for Bruce, right? But keep on guard right now. There's bound to be those fuckers coming back for more.
Yeah. And you guys might wanna heal up while there's breathing room and wiggle time.
I already did that. Bruce, Tom, you might want to do the same.
I did. Tom, you might wanna do that now.
Shit! Smoker got me!
I got it for you, babe. Now let's fucking go before we get cornered in this joint.
We can't. There's a fucking tank on our asses now.
God fucking damn it. Why the fuck does this shit hate us all so much? Mother of fuck. Stupid piece of shit, tanks must ruin everything.
I set it on fire. And looks like it's finished off.
Convenient. Let's go now before we stumble across a hidden horde. Y'all okay?
Yes.
I'm a little hurt, but good otherwise.
Still going, I am.
Good. Now then, let's keep moving until we come across a safe room or something. I bet it can't be much further now.
Yes indeed. But Tom, don't forget to heal.
I plan to, but can someone watch my back while I do that, and not move without me?
I'll move slightly ahead to keep on guard for any hostiles. Oh wait, I see a hunter. Goddamn hunter, all because my grenades missed.
Pow. Got the hunter off. You're welcome for this, by the way.
Yes, but now I don't think we got any more things for us to worry about right now. Oh yes, the silence.
Except for Kathy screaming her fucking ass off just doing some witch screaming. You obviously don't read between the fucking lines.
Fuck off with that Tom! and I see you clearly have not changed one bit whatsoever.
Oh, whatever, you fucking magic-loving hopeless piece of shit. I hope you get hung for your fucking crimes, because I hate witches who do this much barbaric work to ruin innocent lives for a fucking living.
Well, just fucking well. I never knew you hated me that much just because of your own petty ego. What next? Are we gonna separate entirely and then go our own fucking ways?
There's no damn time for that now. Kathy and Tom, we gotta get Bruce in the safe room now. It's now or never at the rate the zombies are emerging.
Hang on. I'm coming to you guys. Just let me get accustomed to the shit I've been trying to navigate.
Oh please, everything's fine for you. Now let's just hurry the fuck up and get in before things go to hell quicker.
Then can someone tell that bitch to stop fucking screaming and destroying my fucking ear circuits? If she doesn't shut the fuck up, I'm gonna shoot everyone in the entire fucking group.
Oh, so are we resorting to violent threats now? In that case, you deserved what you fucking received. Nonsense boy.
Alright, that's it. Big gun time, no fucking mercy, you fucking pieces of shit. You wanna fuck with my nuts like this? I'll give to you how that shit feels.